Let me tell you something. I'm over 60, gray-headed, and I just installed my own garbage disposal, all by myself. It's a feeling of pure satisfaction, knowing I didn't have to call or pay anyone for a job I could learn to do. And you know what? You can too. That feeling of independence, of tackling a challenge and winning, it's for you. That's why we created Gray-Headed Do-It-Yourself. This isn't just a YouTube channel, it's a community for women with experience, wisdom, and a desire to be self-reliant. We're here to prove that we're more than capable of picking up the tools and handling things ourselves. From simple car maintenance like checking your fluids and changing a headlight, to tackling those nagging repairs around the house, like a squeaky hinge or a small patch in the drywall, we break everything down with clear step-by-step instructions. We'll show you exactly what tools you need, the right safety precautions to take, and what to expect along the way. No jargon, no confusion. Join our community of capable women. Subscribe, ring that bell, and let's get to work.